So I'm going to do a quick video, or try to make it quick, on how to actually make this picture okay for you to use for your Cricut. So first things first, I just went to Facebook here, click on the picture that I sent you. You're going to right click and hit Save Image. And then you'll just save it. I've already saved it, so I'm not going to redo that. Then you'll go down right here to your Cricut design space. Actually, this is how it will pull up. Just like this. And what you're going to do is hit New Project. And it'll bring up this screen for you. Once it brings up this screen, you're just going to upload the image. Hit Upload Image. You'll browse for it in your files. And then I labeled mine as Fishing Lure. There it is. You'll just open that up. So right here is where you can turn your image into a transparent background. Otherwise, the Cricut will try and print all of this, and it'll come up as one black square. So you're going to try and alpha out what you do not need. This checkered background means that it's transparent. So all of that's already done. It's just down here, all this blue and white that we need to get rid of. Since this is a simple background and you're just literally getting rid of just the background itself, it's going to be simple. And you hit Continue. And then up here in the right hand or left hand corner, you get these different tools to use. There's the crop button if you wanted to make your image smaller, or, you know, if you had like a really big background and a small little area that you wanted to crop out. There's also the erase tool that you can change the different sizes of. You can see there the circle. You can make it bigger. And this is to manually remove things. And then there's also the Select and Erase. This is normally good if you had like a background that was like solid white. It would get rid of everything. Now for this one, it's a little difficult because there's little, you can see there's different colors in here. So we're going to have to do a little bit of both on the tools. We'll start out doing this and get rid of most of the background. And then you'll see there's still all of this funkiness that we need to get rid of. So what we're going to do is up here in this right hand corner, we'll just zoom in, go over here to your erase tool, and we'll just manually go through and try and remove all of this stuff. It takes a little bit of time. You can buy images that already have this done, but I'm cheap and I'd rather just take the time and do it myself and not have to waste money buying them. And I've already got this image completely done in my design space, so I'm not going to completely do it. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So mine's not going to be perfect. At all. And don't be cutting things off. I'm cutting things off. That's just because I'm trying to do it quickly. I did another video a minute ago and it was 10 minutes long, so I'm trying to make it shorter. It's pretty lengthy. We had some malfunctions with Charlie in the background. Whatever, Josh, shut up. Like I said, don't be cutting off things like I'm doing. You're going to want all of that. I'm just... Wow. I hope that was not heard on the video. Josh just farted on video. That happened. Sorry, guys. And I'm not redoing it because I've already redone this once. Jesus.
That's gross.
Shut up, Josh. Jesus Christ. I just told him I'll never be able to do these tutorial videos professionally because between him and Charlie. Anyway, alright, so that's about it. And then once you've got everything erased, you'll hit Continue. And you can see here it gives you two different options. The save as a print, then cut image is when you use print vinyl, which I never do. It's kind of a pain in the ass, and I don't plan on ever doing it. So I will use the Save as Cut Image. That's if you're just regularly printing out your vinyl. And then right here, you can just save the name, image name, and hit save. And then you'll see it come up here. So you'll just click on that and insert image, and that'll insert it here. So your next step is going to be for the eyes. You're going to want a different color, and then you'll want a pupil on top of that. So in order to accomplish that, I just create a circle and change the color of it to gold, because that's what I use. You can use whatever color you want. And then make it to where it fits into your eyeball here. And then you'll do another one. You can just right click and hit duplicate, and that'll create another one. You're going to turn that one black since it's going to be the pupil. Make it a little bit smaller and put that in the middle. And then, so you group all of this together, you can just draw with your mouse like this, slide it around, and it'll select everything. And then here in the top right corner, you'll just hit group. And that way, you can move everything together and you don't lose it. Now, the numbers here are in inches. So say that your cup is 8 inches long and you want your fishing lure to be 6 inches long. You can just turn it this way, slide it over, and you'll measure it to where the 6 is. So just shrink it up to where it matches to 6 inches. And then you're going to have to make 2 of these, one for each side. So you'll go ahead and duplicate this. Now, the other thing is that since it's 2-sided, these aren't going to lay properly. You're going to want to flip this one. So you'll go in, you'll select one of them. You'll go up here to this flip button, and you'll just flip horizontally. And that'll be one for each side of your cup. Now, the reason why you want to do different colors here in your Cricut is to tell your Cricut that you're wanting that gold to be printed on a different color sheet. So you'll see when you go to actually cut it out in your Cricut, you'll hit make it here. This is telling your Cricut to make it. And then this will show you here, you're going to print, I'll show you here. This is all that's getting printed out in the black, which is your fishing lures, and then your pupils are right there. And then once it prints this out in black, you'll remove that mat of black, and you'll replace it with gold. And then you'll tell your Cricut to go ahead and print these off in gold. And you just accomplish that by hitting continue. Mine's not connected to my Cricut. But once your Cricut is connected, it'll show it there, and it'll tell you to hit go, and it'll cut out, and you'll be good to go.